Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy soya chunks. First, you'll want to soak 1 cup of soya chunks in about 3 cups of hot water for 15 minutes. This helps them soften and expand. Once they're soft, carefully squeeze out all the excess water. This crucial step prevents your gravy from becoming watery and allows the soya chunks to absorb all the delicious flavors we're about to add. It's super easy. Next, let's build our flavorful gravy base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and sauté 1 finely chopped onion until it turns a lovely golden brown. Then, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Finally, stir in about 1/2 cup of tomato puree. Let this simmer until the oil starts to separate from the mixture, indicating that the flavors have melded beautifully. Now it's time to bring everything together. To your gravy base, add 1 teaspoon each of cumin powder, coriander powder, and chili powder. Stir well to combine the spices. Then, gently fold in your squeezed soya chunks. Pour in about 1 cup of water, or more if you prefer a thinner gravy. Bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. This allows the soya chunks to fully absorb all the rich gravy flavors. To finish, garnish your delicious gravy soya chunks with some fresh, chopped cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lime juice for a bright, zesty kick. Serve it hot with fluffy rice, warm roti, or any bread you love. It's a versatile and satisfying meal. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. You won't regret it. Enjoy your homemade gravy soya chunks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.